Come on, you're gonna be a star. This is Kostya, Konstantin, he's a chef. Remember the cooking party? Wait. So we're waiting for Amir. It's our friend, the soon-to-be a professor of mathematical science.
Central Park info. Not a shame.
Hi, today I'm gonna unbox a Rode VideoMic Me. It's the mini version of, I think it's the smallest version of their mics. I have just received the box thanks to my good friend Amir, I call him Mon Amir, for bringing the thing.
Friday lunch. Nothing special.
So let's start with the VideoMic Me. And what do we have in here? By the way, I am using my main iPhone for shooting this video, but I'm gonna use this non-working iPhone 5s as a prop. I was waiting for this. So this Foofy Schmoofy thing, one of the many official names is Dead Cat. I don't know why, but it is the industry standard name. Here is the Rode VideoMic Me. This will improve your iPhone video sound, I don't know, tenfold. It also has this headphone jack for listening to how it sounds in real life. I mean, right away. I mean, you can listen to the sound right away. And this is the directional microphone. So if it's pointed at you, I've got an iPhone. I've got a Rode. So if the mic is pointed at you, so the rest of the sounds behind it will be they will fade away. And your voice will stand out. So the vice versa, if you turn it around and point towards the crowd, the sounds over there will go up, and it will be harder to hear your voice. So don't make this mistake. This is probably the main thing why I decided to buy the VideoMic Me, because once it's on, it will protect your microphone from the wind. I mean, should be obvious. This is embarrassing, obviously. Using this in front of other people can be a little embarrassing. I get it. But do not eat. This is also a useful thing. You see how this microphone falls as when I'm shaking the iPhone, the microphone falls down. Now this thing helps to hold the mic on the same level. I think it goes this way. It's quite hard to put it on vlogging cam, and when you have the dead cat on, you're good to go. I'm gonna demonstrate the difference between the sounds before the mic and after the mic in a bit. This is also very important. All you have to do is just pull this thing up. Here it is, one USB-C to USB port. That's all I need, hopefully. I'm gonna put this in my backpack. think we're good to go. I forgot to say, this feels really good quality, like top notch. You know, it even feels like a Batman kind of quality. Really good. Now this is the quality of sound with the mic. Without the dead cat. Since I have no wind in my room, I don't really need a dead cat. But should we go outside? You know you want to say it. You know you want to.
Catch me outside, how about that?
I think I'm gonna play with it a lot. Also, I forgot that I was testing a 4K feature on the iPhone SE, and I forgot to put it back to the 1080p 60 frames per second, so this video will be in 4K since I can edit it now. If you're new and you want to watch my video about unboxing the 2016 MacBook Pro, I'm gonna link it there or there. I completely forgot about one very important feature, is that if you decide to buy the Rode VideoMic Me, by the way, it's the cheapest Rode mic they make. If you decide and if you buy it, you probably are going to use it right away, and you're gonna put a lot of energy into making a video from your iPhone. A lot of creativity, a lot of thoughts will go into the video. But before you start, please put your iPhone or the smartphone right stepped into my point. This one, I just received a call. That's one of the reasons why you should put your device into airplane mode, or just completely turn off the network, because, well, the first reason is because your video will be interrupted and you will have to repeat stuff and remember what you wanted to say. I'm kind of used to my videos being interrupted, but the other reason is that the microphone will catch the frequency from your network, and sound interruptions will appear on your video. Well, you will notice it when rewatching it or editing the video, when it will be too late. So turn your device into an airplane mode. 1, no calls or texts. 2, the network will interrupt the microphone sound. So let's go outside. I'm in the elevator, so this is what it sounds like without the mic. And wait, I'm gonna do it live. Do it live. And this is what it sounds like with the mic. That mistake. What it sounds like with the mic, but it's too late. I'm not in the elevator anymore. You gave me clear instructions.
Don't take it,
leave,
put it in the blender.
Don't take it, so that you can put it in the blender yourself. Where was I? I need to finish up the vlog. Basically, recording machine.
Yeah. So you are filming a vlog, right?
You never vlog in front of your friends. This is what it sounds like when you're outside or in a cafe. Last time I said I was going outside, but I said that as well. And now this is how it looks like when vlogging outside. This is the next day, by the way. Not too windy, not too loud, perfectly sunny. So let's go to the city. Here's how it sounds like without the mic. Not even sure if you can hear me. I am trying to imitate a windy environment. I hope that makes sense. The only thing left to do is edit the vlog, and it'll be up in a couple of hours. So, even though it's not windy outside, these are like the most perfect conditions I was hoping for. It's Saturday evening in the coffee shop, so everyone's here. It's super loud in here, and I hope you'll be able to hear me. And when it's sunny outside, like everyone is here. I'm gonna show you. I mean, sort of see what I'm talking about? And the mic is solving all the problems. The only thing left is just showing my friends the Foofy Schmoofy mic. What about it?
Like a shame.